Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. We are in the Visalia Hobby. So we will show you around this hobby shop. And it's a SAVOX shop. So you can buy every SAVOX product in here. I will show you.
Visalia Hobbies address 2945 South Mooney Boulevard, Visalia, California 93277, USA. Visalia is a city in the agricultural San Joaquin Valley of California. Yosemite, Sequoia, and Kings Canyon National Parks are located in the nearby Sierra Nevada mountains, the highest mountain range within the contiguous United States.
Okay, we are in the middle of California. So this is a small town, but this hobby shop is amazing. So here's a SAVOX banner, and you can almost find everything here. So I will show you around. So here SEO, around hobby, and also for the Texas. So you can see all the SAVOX products in here. So here is a major brand for the servo. So you can see all SAVOX. And some high-tech, little bit high-tech, SAVOX, Spectrum. Really a lot of SAVOX. Almost, I think more than 100 pieces. That's amazing. So you can see all the boards. And here is all Texas products. Wow. So we will keep showing different kind of store for you guys. So if you have any questions, just let us know. So just come to here and buy the SAVOX product. Thank you.